For the following problem, we're given the function f of xyz is equal to 3xy minus 2z squared plus 4yz plus 2. We then want to find f of negative 1, 2, negative 3. This tells us that we are just plugging in each of these values for their respective variables in the original function. So this is just like a standard function where you have f of x and you want to find something like f of 5. You replace every x with a 5. In this case, we're going to replace every x with a negative 1. We're going to replace every y with a 2. And we'll replace every z with a negative 3. And then just simplify. So, f of negative 1, 2, negative 3 is equal to 3 times x is negative 1 times y is 2. That's our 3xy term. Minus 2 times z is negative 3. And that negative 3 is being squared because the z was being squared. We then want to add 4 times y is 2 times z is negative 3. And then we want to add 2 to that. So simplifying this, 3 times negative 1 times 2 gives us negative 6. Minus 2 times negative 3 squared. Well, negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. Then we have 4 times 2 is 8 times negative 3 is negative 24 plus 2. We'll take care of this multiplication first, then we can start adding all of our terms together. So we have negative 6 minus 18 minus 24 plus 2 when we multiply this negative 2 times 9. And now order of operations says when you're only adding and subtracting, you go left to right. So negative 6 minus 18 is negative 24 minus 24 that we have here plus 2. Negative 24 minus 24 is negative 48 plus 2 gives us negative 46, which means f of negative 1, 2, negative 3 is equal to negative 46.